Good morning everyone. Hope you all are safe and fine. Today we will see question number 6 onwards of chapter 11, that is a bad master. We will see first example, then we will see exercises. Let's see question number 6. Make sentences like the ones below. Here we can see two sentences are given. Maya can swim. Miss Rao taught her. So we have to join these two sentences as it has been joined here. Let's see how it has been joined. Miss Rao taught Maya how to swim. How it has been made? Miss Rao taught Maya how to swim. So if we see in the example, Mohan can make aeroplanes that fly. Prem showed him. So we have to join these two sentences. Prem showed Mohan how to make aeroplanes that fly. In all the answers of question number 6, you all have to put how to. Okay, all of you. Let's see some questions here. Let's see question number B. David knows how to cook. His father taught him. So what will be the answer? Any guess from anyone? Yes, I think many of you have guessed correctly. The answer will be David's father taught him how to cook. Again, I am repeating the answer. David's father taught him how to cook. If we see question number E, Radha knows how to draw a map. Miss Das showed her. So, how can we join these two sentences? Miss Das showed Radha how to draw a map. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number E. Miss Das showed Radha how to draw a map. So like this you all have to practice. I think most of you will be able to do this. Now moving to question number 7. Here you all can see our country's map. Make sentences like the ones below. I think I would like to speak here regarding few things. Always figure out the pattern of examples before doing exercise. How they have made. Then it will be easier for you all to do the exercises. Let's see example here. What shall I do? Said Teresa. So what will be the answer? Teresa did not know what to do. Teresa did not know what to do. Let's see another example. When shall I start? Asked John. So answer will be John did not know when to start. You can see here in all the answers of question number 7, you have to write did not know, the way it has been made here. In all of your answers of question number 7, you must write did not know. Now let's see question number B. When shall I bring the book to school? Asked Uma. So what will be the answer? Uma did not know when to bring the book to school. Again, I am repeating the answer of question number B. Uma did not know when to bring the book to school. So like this you all have to practice. Let's see question number E. What shall I write? Asked Radha. So what will be the answer? I think it is a very easy question and many of you can guess it. Means can guess the answer. I know many of you have guessed correctly. The answer will be Radha did not know what to write. Radha did not know what to write. Now let's see one more question of this size. Let's see question number I. Where shall I put the flowers? Asked Maya. So answer will be Maya did not know where to put the flowers. Again I am repeating the answer. Maya did not know where to put the flowers. So like this you all have to practice. I hope many of you will be able to do it nicely. Now let's see question number 8. Practice this conversation. Instead of